What if I told you that $100, just $100, could quietly grow into 1 million? Not magic, not luck, not a get-rich-quick scheme, just one powerful financial principle that most people never learn in school. Meet Alex, 22 years old, fresh out of college, no trust fund, no rich uncle, just an entry-level salary and $100 sitting in a savings account, earning almost nothing. Sound familiar? Alex could have spent that $100 son new sneakers. Instead, Alex made one decision that changed everything. Alex discovered compound interest. Einstein reportedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. Here is why. When you invest money, you earn returns. But then, those returns also earn returns. And those returns earn returns. It snowballs. Slowly at first, then faster than you can possibly imagine. Let us break it down simply. Alex invests that $100 at age 22 into an index fund averaging 10% annual returns, roughly what the S&P 500 has historically delivered. Year 1, $110. Year 10, $259. Year 20, $672. Year 30, $1,744. Year 40, $4,525. And by age 72, that single $100 bill becomes over $1 million, $100, 50 years, 1 million. But Alex did not stop at $100. Alex added just $100 every single month. That is just $3 a day, less than your daily coffee. With the same 10% return over 40 years, that grows to over $630,000. Combined with the original investment, Alex is sitting on nearly $640,000 without ever breaking a sweat. But here is the villain in this story: waiting. Every single year you delay investing, you lose compounding time forever. Starting at 22 versus starting at 32 is not a 10-year difference. It is a nearly $400,000 difference. Time is the most expensive thing you will ever waste. So what did Alex actually invest in? Number 1, index funds, low cost, diversified, historically reliable. Number 2, ETFs, flexible, tradable, and broad market exposure. No stock picking required. Number 3, dividend stocks, companies that literally pay you just for holding their shares. Consistent, boring, beautiful. The secret is not earning more. It is starting now with whatever you have: $100, $50, even $25. The amount matters far less than the habit, because wealth is not built in a day. It is built every single day. If this video made you think differently about that spare $100 in your account, you are already ahead of 90% of people. Hit subscribe. Every week on Capital Craft Chronicles, we turn money confusion into money confidence. Your financial glow up starts right now.